Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. These are Father's Day marketing bundle. You can easily download from the link in the description. Here are 4 PSD files, and to download this you just need to click on the downloading link and reach here my website build GFX, and here you can download from here, or you can simply search here Father's Day marketing bundle here. So here are 4 PSD files. These are completely customizable. Here you can see these are clipping mask one instructions. You can just write instruction from here. So the guide is right now. You can completely customize this photography. You can edit the text, just need to double click or replace, and here are your own name, just like graphics.com graphics. And for save you need to click control plus S. You can manage its size also, tag your name, double click, replace, and your name build GFX. I know you can do this, so I will not spend much time over here. Control S for save, and you can edit also text, import, export image here, logo, simple drag drop. I know you can do this. So clipping mask, here I see you, background, put a background here, currently customizable, and here's the first one and here's the second one. These are templates are free to download, just need to click on the downloading link, and you can download other graphics template from our website build GFX for freely. So here is again hide the guide. So here is it, and you can just I know you can do this, cancel. I'm not doing this again and again. So here effect, shape, you can see this shape, and so on. Create your own template first, and these are four. So just open this. And here again guide, and this is the template. My PC specs are not too high, so that's why, but you can see these are good enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Take care.